For my creative presentation, I have thought of the idea of a two-in-one washer dryer system. Just a little bit of background. The process of switching your laundry from the washer can be a hassle. And my idea would just be able to combine a washer and dryer, and that would completely take away the process of having to transfer your clothes from the washer to a dryer. Just a couple of problems that made me think of this idea were that when you're transferring your wet clothes from the washer to the dryer, you get your hands wet. You have to make multiple efforts into doing so. Awkward posture, you can get hurt, and then also just dropping your clothes on the ground could be a hassle. For my scamper method, I chose combine because the two units they're already made up and they already exist. So now I would just like to combine the both of them, making them a two-in-one process. A couple of improvements that I would like is just cost. I think it would be more cost efficient. So instead of having to buy a washer and a dryer separately, you could just buy them both together and hopefully save some money. It's easy to use and also time saving. Instead of having to go down halfway through the process of washing your clothes and switch it from washer to dryer, it will do that for you, saving you time. Timeline to make this. I don't think it'll be that difficult in making this because they already have the two machines made. Combining them shouldn't take that much time to do, and it probably wouldn't in a short period of time. The risk. I don't think there's many risks if we were to do this. The only thing that there is machine breaks, you lose both the washer and the dryer, so then you would have to pay for both of them instead of having one of the machines broken and just having to fix that, you have to fix both of them. And then teams to make this happen would be a marketing team. You need a marketing team to go out, advertise this, and get people to buy this. A support team for if people do buy it and they're having mechanical problems that they can call and try to get them fixed. And then just a tech team to make the product itself. And yeah, that's my two-in-one washer dryer machine.